Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nima and I post all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle and DIY. So if any of that is at your interest, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn your post notifications on so every time I post you'll be the first one to be notified. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a Juvia's Place new mini palette. This is supposed to be the continuation of the chocolates, the nudes and the berries and the violets. If you already have those palettes, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, they just came out, like, I guess, I'm not sure if it's last 2 weeks or like last month, I'm not sure, but I've had them for a long time and then they're just sitting here, so I decided to do this video. And this is the look I came up with. I really love this look. As you can tell, like, I don't know if you guys can tell that I love this look. I really love it. It is so cute, it's so beautiful. I love the shades. I used all of these shades in this look. Yes, I did. So if you want to see how I did all that, please stay to the end of this video to see all the shebang. Okay, so here we have these three mini palettes, and this is the pink, the sweet pinks. We have the taupes and we have the mauves. If you've seen my video about the Juvia's Place nude lipsticks, these are the same kind of shades in the lipsticks, but these are in the eyeshadow form. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how they look like on the inside. So here you have the sweet pinks. Oh my god, excuse that mess. This eyeshadow right here broke and it messed up everything, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It is so cute. It just has like simple 6 colors. So yeah, and they're really bright. And here we have the taupes. This is what it looks. It's more of the neutral and the cold undertones. So yeah, it is really good for like just a daily. This is a daily like palette. Like, this is very versatile. It is so beautiful. Yeah. And then we have the mauves. This is what it looks like. I really love the mauves. I just love the mauves. Like, the shades are just like rich, super rich. But yeah, these are the 3 palettes I'm going to be using today. I don't want to ramble too much, so stay till the end of this video to see all the process I went through and the final shots. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Comment down below other video ideas you want to see, and I'll see you at the end. Bye. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows. Now I prepped my eyes with a concealer. Now I'm gonna go with the taupes palette, and I'm using this shade right here. I'll use that to set the concealer I just put on my eyes so my eyeshadow does not crease. Next, I went ahead with another palette, the mauves, and I took that dark mauve shade. It looks like a purple, but yeah, that is what I used to start with the outer corners of my eyes, and so I can build up a base for the coming shades. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with the sweet pinks, and I'm taking that neon bright shade at the middle, and I'm so sorry it broke because I fell my palette, but yeah, that's the shade I'm gonna go, and I'm putting that at the middle of my eyes. I'm gonna go back in with the mauves palette, and I'm taking again that dark mauve shade, and I'm just gonna enhance it on my outer corners again. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the Sweet Pinks palette, and I'm taking that last shade in the bottom row, It's a light neon pastel pink. I'll use that in my inner corners. Alright, so I'm gonna jump right onto my face, and for primer today I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Matte Primer. For foundation, I'm gonna be using a Magic Velvet Matte Foundation by Juvias Place. For concealer, I'm gonna go with the Magic Concealer by Juvias in the shade J11. For powder, I'm going to be using a Magic Setting Powder by Juvias. To contour my face, I'm gonna go in with the Revolution Glow Matte Bronzer Contour in the shade Deep. It's actually a bronzer, but I use it as a contour because it works, so yep. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place blush in the shade Bella, and this is what it looks like. For highlight today, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place, the Heroin Glow, and this is what it looks like. Okay, Okay, so for the under eye, I'm gonna go with the same shades I used on my upper lid. So I'm starting with that dark mauve color. Then I'm taking that bright pink color again and I'm putting it again after the dark mauve shade. And lastly, I'm taking that light bright pink again and finishing it on my inner corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna put an eyeliner on my eyes and I'm using the Juvias Place black eyeliner. It comes with this brush, so yep. Okay, so for mascara, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara. Okay, for the lips, I'm gonna be using the new Juvias Place lipstick bundle. If you've not watched that video review, go watch it, girl. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using. I'm using the lip liner Cola and the Peaches lipstick in the shade Mademoiselle. Okay guys, so we're almost done and now I'm just left with lashes. I'm gonna be using the Bonsu Beauty lashes in B05 and I'll pop these bad boys off camera and be right back. Okay guys, we're back and this is the final look. I really love this look. It is so perfect. It is so cute. I love these pink shades and mauve shades. Like, these palettes are like essential. Like, you guys should have them. And yeah, I really love this look. I added a lip gloss from the same Juvia's Place nude lipsticks, and yeah, this is the look, girl. I love this look. I really love this look. Oh my god, it turned out so perfect. I love how the shades blend. Like the neon pink, I would say it looked like it shears when you put it on, but you just have to pack it. Or maybe you need a base, like a good eyeshadow base. But yeah, just use concealer. But I really love this look, you guys. Oh my god, I'm just gonna take off out this makeup and I'll be done because I'm not going anywhere. But still, I'm gonna rock it now for like 2-10 minutes, take some good pictures, you know, like. And yeah, you guys follow me on my Instagram. Tell me what you think about this look. How did I do? I really love it so far. Comment down below, and if you get this palette or if you rock this look. But yeah, this is, oh my god, I really love this look. I love it so much. So that was it. This was the end. If you like this video and more videos like this, just subscribe to my channel and join the family. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Turn your post notifications on so every time I post, you'll be the first one to be notified. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for the final shots. Bye.